Hello kids! Welcome back to Xoratale. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter B. Are you ready? Let's go! B for bear, bear. B for bird, bird. B for bee, bee. B for butterfly, butterfly. Let's repeat it again. B for bear, B for bee, B for bird, B for butterfly. B for banana, banana. B for beetroot, beetroot. B for blueberry, blueberry. Let's repeat it again. B for beans, B for banana, B for beetroot, B for blueberry. B for ball, ball. B for balloon, balloon. B for bottle, bottle. B for bowl, bowl. Let's repeat it again. B for balloon, B for bottle, B for ball, B for bowl. B for baby, baby. B for boy, boy. B for baker, backer. B for builder, builder. Let's repeat it again. B for baby, B for boy, B for baker, B for builder. B for bell, bell. B for box, box. B for bed, bed. B for bus, bus. Let's repeat it again. B for bed, B for bell, B for box, B for bus. B for blue, blue. B for black, black. B for brown, brown. B for bronze, bronze. Let's repeat it again. B for blue, B for black, B for brown, B for bronze. You've learned the letter B today. B says but, and we found so many fun B words.